Today, we're going to see how to make thick filter coffee decoction. For this, we use an instrument called as a filter. As you see, it has two compartments. The top actually houses the coffee powder and the bottom is where we collect the decoction. Both these containers sit one on top of each other the way it's been shown in the video. Now, we take the coffee powder which is nicely ground. It's especially available in the market as filter coffee powder and it is not the usual Nescafe or the brew that you find. For making coffee for 4 people in the family, we use close to 9 teaspoons of coffee powder the way it's been shown here, and nicely use this ladle to dab it. And to this, we add 3/4 glass of hot boiling water. After pouring it on the top compartment, we nicely close it and allow it to settle for 40 minutes. Decoction is actually collected in the bottom container. This decoction is thick and ready to use for coffee.